Oh man, sorry for my emotion things at this stage while recording, but I can't control, and might be you guys have the same feeling at this stage, but what we can do. कैसे हो भाई? भाई यहाँ पे आज मैं कोविड-19 का टेस्ट कराने आया हूँ, तो आपको यहाँ पे दिखा रहा हूँ कि भाई कैसे यहाँ पे सिस्टमेटिक होता है भाई। नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन के अंदर आपको सब कुछ मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा यहाँ पे कैसे क्या होता है, लेकिन कई टाइम पे मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाऊँगा ड्यूरिंग द टेस्ट, बट होप सो यू गाइज विल अंडरस्टैंड, बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन समवेयर, ओके, स्टे विथ मी। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कार ऐसे खड़ी रहती है, नीचे भी उतरना नहीं होता है, और यहाँ से टेस्टिंग होता है भाई। देखो बहुत सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन के साथ टेस्टिंग होके फिर आपको रिज़ल्ट मिलता है। मेरा नंबर कभी भी आ सकता है, तो भाई देखो यहाँ पे ऐसा माहौल होता है। चलो भाई आगे थोड़ी कार ले जाते हैं, यहाँ पे टेस्टिंग करेंगे भाई। देखो भाई क्या होता है क्या नहीं भैया। भाई देखो थोड़ा सा हमको ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई थोड़ा थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन, शॉर्ट थ्रोट और रनिंग नोज थोड़ा सा, और म्यूकस और थोड़ा सा हेडेक चल रहा है, तो भाई सेफ्टी के लिए हम करा रहे हैं। पता नहीं उसका रिजल्ट कब आएगा, यानी सभी बोल रहे हैं 48 आवर्स, नहीं तो 72 आवर्स में आ जाता है। यहाँ पे देखते हैं ये जल्दी आएगा, क्योंकि यार लाइन बहुत ही कम है, नहीं तो बहुत लाइन होती है। यहाँ पे ऐसे टेस्टिंग होता है कि भाई कार में रहो, आपकी कार लेके आओ, आपका व्हीकल लेके आओ, और यहाँ पे बैठे रहो और आपका टेस्ट हो जाएगा भाई। तो देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सेफ है, देखते हैं क्या होता है क्या नहीं। मैं कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन that will be helpful for guys. So at this stage I am asking you guys, please, safety is everyone's responsibility, so we have to make social distance, and I just came here for getting through this COVID-19 test today, so not sure what will be the result, but after the test I have to go for 3 days lockdown in my house myself. Okay, now she's coming. Hello.
Okay, you got your mobile with you?
Yes, I do have.
Okay, what's your mobile number, sir? Okay, this is going to send you a message with a link. Okay, hit the link. In the first part, put your number, press proceed.
Yep.
Then fill in your information, then press submit. Once you press submit, it will come up with a validation code. That's what we need.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
Okay, it'll be sent to you now.
Okay, yep. That's correct. All
Okay.
details are correct.
Okay,
Yes.
so hold on to them. The girls will get them back off you when they do the swab.
Okay. Quick one question. So now, do I have to quarantine myself for 3 days until result come, or?
That's correct. Well, we're in lockdown anyway till Sunday.
Oh no, but I work for the food industry.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I have exemption to come, but after that testing.
Well, okay, it depends on your work. Okay, if you need a certificate, okay, if it's mandatory, well, it's not mandatory, but we say it is mandatory. Once you get a COVID test, you got to isolate until you get the results.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I will follow the regulation
Okay, because you are doing it for work. Because you done it paperless today, and you provided an email address. Is that correct?
then. My email address, my Medicare, everything is
Okay.
there.
Now, you'll get an automatic email.
Okay.
And on that automatic email, it tells you what to do after a COVID test.
Oh, definitely.
There is a phone number and an email address on there that you can contact us.
Okay.
And on there, there's a certificate, okay? And it just tells, you can print it out and it's for work.
Oh, really?
Okay. It just tells them that you had a COVID test on this date
Okay.
at this clinic at whatever time it happened.
Oh, definitely. No, fantastic service, ma. I mean, I'm quite impressed compared to other country.
Yeah.
So, but it's so fast, so quick, man.
Well, you wouldn't have said that yesterday.
Yeah, that's why we are in Australia. You know, that's why we are in Australia.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, no worry.
Can we forward?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so it was nice message from that lady. So the government employees and worker, everyone, they playing really good job. So again, this message is only for awareness purpose, so please make sure just follow best hygiene practice, man. So I just came here because I have headache. Yesterday was running nose. Now it's a mucus. Might be it can be viral, but I don't want to take risk because I have family over there. And see, the safety is everyone's responsibility. Again, I'm telling you guys. So please make sure don't be delay. Don't be wait until if anything happened wrong to you guys. So I will suggest to follow what the government is looking forward. So I'm just following the government's instruction what to do now next. So that lady explained me really very well. So I'm in Queensland, and our people, our nations, they're really doing very well. But this COVID-19, destroy many families. Sorry, I am emotional, but hope so you will understand how the criticality of this COVID-19. So I don't want to cry at this stage, but the lady is coming. So hope so guys, please understand what my message is. Follow that. Please follow the best hygiene practice every single day. Oh, actually I need to drink some water, eh? Yes, I will drink the water, bro. I lost someone in my family, you know. Many families, they lost parents, kids they are alone without the parents, and you know, it's hope so we will be fine. Oh man, sorry for my emotion things at this stage while recording, but I can't control, you know. And might be you guys have the same feeling at this stage, but what we can do, only we can follow, right? You know, so make a distance, wash your hands, sanitize your hand, do not trust to anybody. You know, if some come to the closer to you, stop them, no matter who they are. So probably I would like to share the results once I have, but at this stage I have only hope that I probably will not have that bloody corona, but I'm just here for normal routine checkup. So this is the first stage where we can get and we can control ourselves first. So I'm just waiting for them. Once they be here, might be it will be very so quick. I'm not sure whether some of my friends, they told me that it's really painful. I'm not sure, but they put the stick inside the nose and sometime let's see how I feel. But might be you will find out during that entire video. Guys, I'm just making this awareness video for you guys, so please make sure to subscribe this channel. Ask me what to do now. I think she is coming now. Yep.
So can you give me your labels, please?
Oh, the labels, yes.
So all your details covered?
Yeah, that's the correct one. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you take off your mask. Start the first back of your mouth, then the nose.
Is it really painful?
No. Just it's uncomfortable, but it will not hurt you.
Okay. Mouth?
Yes. Just bend your head up. Can you little bit wind?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Is it hurting you? Just little. Yeah. Now the nose. And the other side. Yeah. All good. All done.
It's not hurting actually anymore.
Yeah, it's just gentle. So they'll text you the results within 2 to 3 days.
Okay, no worry. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you so much. So now it's been done. Now I have to go to my home straight away, and then probably probably I will let you know what will be the results look like after 48 or maybe 72 hours. But guys, do that for right now. If you are thinking that might be you could have, or might be there will be the chances, so guys, this is the best time to do that. Go forward and please look after your family, okay? So that's your responsibility and it's our responsibility. So this is my responsibility to make sure my town people, my nation's people will be the fine at this stage. I don't want to spread to anybody. After that, once I will be home, I will be in my room quarantined for until I get the results. But this is what it is, guys. I will be definitely following the rules. But again, sir, please make sure to subscribe, press the bell button for the new updates from Australia. So Patel Bau from Australia, thank you guys. This is the COVID-19 live, the process I have been explained to you guys. But hope so guys, you will be definitely enjoying a lot more upcoming videos. If you want to be make some more new videos, let me know, put your comments, and also please write down in the comment section from which country and from which town are you looking that video, so it will be really helpful me. So, and also suggest me what the next video you are looking forward. So guys, thank you so much. I don't want to distract myself, so please subscribe this channels. And again, I'm asking you, I need support. Without you guys, we are nothing. So hope so you will be fine there. Bye bye, take care, see ya.